2011 Honda CRZ drive belt removal. You only need one tool to do this. It is a 14 millimeter. I'm using a gear wrench just because it's more convenient. Right here on the top, you can see this top pulley. Get this camera. And it is a 14 millimeter. You're gonna go ahead, lift in the up position, reach down with your other hand, and take that belt. All right. You have to fight it a little bit off of the pulleys, but that's pretty much all there is to it. All right, and right here is the belt diagram. So this one right here is your tensioner, goes down to the crankshaft around the AC unit, and I don't know if that's an idle or a water pump. I haven't looked into it yet. But basically that's the diagram. It's pretty straightforward and simple. If this video helped you out, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.